In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR code on Zoho Invoices. If you're someone who frequently uses Zoho for your invoicing needs, adding a QR code can be a fantastic way to streamline both your and your client's experience. Today, I'll guide you through this simple process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Invoice dashboard. If you're not already on the dashboard, go ahead and open it in your web browser. You can usually find the dashboard as soon as you log into your account. Here you should see various options related to your invoices and billing. It's your central hub for everything Zoho Invoice related. Next, direct your attention to the settings. You'll often find the settings icon in the upper or lower part of the menu on the left-hand side. Clicking on this icon will take you to a new section where you can adjust various preferences and customization options for your invoices. This step is important because settings are where you'll find most of the controls that allow you to tailor your invoices. After accessing the settings menu, look for an option labeled Invoices. Selecting this will guide you further into settings specific to invoices. This is the section where you can modify invoice templates, formats, and most importantly, where we will enable the QR code option. Now, within the invoice settings, search for Invoice QR code. This is where we're going to make the magic happen. Typically, it could be a little drop-down or toggle that's easy to miss, so keep your eyes peeled. Identifying this option is crucial, as it's the focal point of our tutorial today. Once you've found the Invoice QR code setting, you'll want to enable it. This is usually done by simply flipping a switch or selecting a button. Enabling this option allows you to embed a QR code into your invoices, making it easier for your clients to access information or payment details by simply scanning the code. With that done, choose a QR code type. Zoho might offer different QR code options depending on what you need them for, like payment links or address details. Selecting the appropriate type based on your needs ensures your clients receive the most relevant information promptly. You also have the option to type in a QR code description. This description helps clarify what the QR code contains or is used for. A clear description can be advantageous for your clients, setting clear expectations when they scan the code. Finally, after configuring everything to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. At the bottom or top of the page, there should be a Save button. Clicking on this ensures that all your settings are applied, and your invoices will now feature your customized QR code from now on. And there you have it. Enabling a QR code on Zoho Invoices is that simple. By following these steps, you can enhance your invoices functionality, providing your clients with the convenience of digital interaction. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.